Looking for the best wireless keyboards for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 wireless keyboards that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a wireless keyboard that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended wireless keyboards. Number 1 on the list is Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro. The Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro is our favorite wireless keyboard for gaming because it offers you a full-size, full-height mechanical switch experience, plus all the features you'd expect in a premium gaming clacker. That includes high-end double-shot ABS plastic keycaps that felt good during testing and looked good too, resisting smudges notably better than rivals, and the keyboard's aluminum top plate. You also get a cozy, plush leatherette magnetic wrist rest and 4 onboard memory profiles. Unfortunately, you'll need the software to use any RGB besides the 7 effects stored in the keyboard's memory. And there are no macro keys, like the Logitech G915 Lightspeed on this page. Its top rival offers. The BlackWidow V3 Pro can connect with a wireless dongle, via its included charging cable or through Bluetooth, which lets it pair with up to 3 additional PCs. Battery life varies based on backlight brightness and effect but can range from 5 to 25 hours with lighting and reach 192 hours without. And at 3% battery life, the BlackWidow V2 Pro can get wonky, with delays in registering key presses and issues with the software finding it. But ultimately, the BlackWidow V3 Pro delivers everything you'd expect from an expensive, top-of-the-line gaming keyboard, except a mandatory cable. There's also a newer BlackWidow V3 Mini model, although it doesn't bring as much to the table for its price as its larger sibling. For more gaming recommendations, with or without cables, see our Best Gaming Keyboards page. Second on the list is Redragon K596 Vishnu. Redragon, opens in new tab, isn't exactly a well-known gaming brand in the US, but it's hard to argue with the $70 price of the K596 Vishnu. This 2.4 GHz wireless gaming keyboard packs RGB, dedicated macro and media keys, a metal volume rocker, linear switches and even a wrist rest, albeit a hard plastic one, all into a tankless package. And that's at well less than half the price of the more well-known competition. The K596 Vishnu also feels solid and was comfortable to use while gaming and typing. Although, the plastic used for the shell does look a bit cheap. There's also some funkiness going on with the design, like the fact that F1, F8 are labeled as secondary media controls, despite there also being a bank of dedicated media buttons directly to their right. The second bank of programmable G keys are also oddly narrow and jammed up. And there are light bars on either side of the keyboard that, while look cool, are only going to drain your battery faster while you're gaming without the USB-C cable plugged in. You can turn these off by hitting FN and the pause button repeatedly, but that's a pain. The extra lights should default to only turning on when the keyboard is plugged in via a cable. The Vishnu is also heavier than competing wireless keyboards. Still, despite its oddities and minor flaws, this is one heck of a keyboard for $70, when you consider Logitech's G915 TKL costs more than 3 times as much and doesn't include a wrist rest. If you're after a compact, colorful wireless gaming keyboard on a budget, the K596 Vishnu easily earns a top spot in the pantheon. Number 3 on the list is Logitech G915 Lightspeed. The Logitech G915 Lightspeed delivers a fantastic combo of error-free typing, speed and comfort. It looks smart and mature in a way that very few gaming peripherals are able to put off, and, short of a wrist rest, it's replete with anything you could ask of a keyboard. Razer and Corsair offer slightly cheaper high-end boards by comparison, but for those who secretly miss the stability of the old membrane days, this low-profile keyboard is a dream come true. And for those looking for something similar but smaller, there's the also excellent Logitech G915 TKL. Number 4 on the list is SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Wireless. SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Wireless borrows the Apex Pro Mini's sturdy, minimal, and more generic-looking chassis design, adding the company's updated, highly customizable dual actuation OmniPoint 2.0 optical switches. The keyboard also packs plenty of premium features like an aluminum alloy top plate, double-shot PBT keycaps, bright per-key RGB, and a detachable magnetic wrist rest. The Apex Pro TKL/Apex Pro TKL wireless roomier layout allows for dedicated media keys and a customizable OLED smart display. Also, unlike its predecessor, it comes in both wired and wireless versions. The Apex Pro TKL Wireless is an excellent, highly customizable gaming keyboard in a TKL layout, which is much less restrictive than the Apex Pro Mini's 60% layout, but we're still holding out for an update to the full-size SteelSeries Apex Pro to rival Razer's excellent Deathstalker V3 Pro. Number 5 on the list is Logitech MX Mechanical Keyboard. If you're switching back and forth among different computers, Logitech's MX Mechanical is the best wireless keyboard for getting work done. The business-friendly clacker can connect to up to 3 devices via Bluetooth LE or one of Logitech's Logi Bolt dongles, and it has dedicated keys for changing to each, no cryptic key combos needed. The Logitech MX Mechanical really shines when you pair it with one of the company's MX Master Mice X, the MX Master 3S, and use the Logi Flow feature, which changes the connection when you move the pointer off of the desktop of one machine and onto another. It even maintains a shared clipboard so you can copy some text on one computer and paste it into an app on another. This full-size, 110-key keyboard uses low-profile keys and switches in your choice of Kale Chalk V2 blue, red or brown varieties. We found the shorter travel a boon for typing on both the blues and browns we tested. But, as with all low-profile keyboards, the height of the keyboard is too short to use with standard wrist rests. Low-profile wrist rests exist, though they are fewer and likely less padded. For those who like a smaller keyboard, Logitech makes the MX Mechanical Mini, which has 84 keys, no numpad, but is otherwise identical. Just now is a list of 5 best wireless keyboards that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.